Hi guys, I have made many videos already, many tests, but sometimes I forget to make images. And the thing I'm gonna do now is go to ls.conf, and the last video I got a console in Mate, and the reason is of course me, the human being. So Yakuwake was there, and yes, console is a dependency of Yakuwake, and that's why it was there. So that's the Sherlock Holmes we sometimes have to be. Now I still want to install on Qemu, so VDA stays in, whereas VDA coloring is all bad, Perl, right? Put it a Perl, def VDA. So I'm going for Qemu again, and EXT4 is what I don't have a picture for. I've done everything now. All these file systems have been tested, and sometimes with a different desktop, so with Plasma or Mate or XFCE. And where are those guys? Where are those guys? Where are those guys? Here. So GNOME will probably buy my last, or maybe deep in my last. Anyway, so Mate is the last thing I've done. XFCE, seen it. KDE, seen it. Mate, seen it. Cinnamon, no image yet with Cinnamon. So it's gonna be an EXT4, Cinnamon, save with Pulse Audio because PyPire is false. I'm gonna stop this, save this, and then it's the def, remember the right GitHub, right, and push it. If it's online, so this is Cinnamon and EXT4. That's basically all I did. If you want to check again, then you do that. I've changed to EXT4, and Mate is now Cinnamon. Single, just the one choice. So this is the fun. And then you don't need to build the ISO. That's the strange thing. You do it when you start getting too much downloads, too much updates, right? So if you run this thing, double click this, and you boot up, maybe go to view full screen already. There is a default setting, but I'd rather do it like this, videos and all. And we're back here. We are on the pure ArcoLinux ISO, but it has a folder. Load keys, PE, Latin 1. That's one thing. CD to ALCI, and then def. Development version. I always do this. Alice in Wonderland, Eric. Def. Voila. ls. Nothing is green, make everything green, and now the magic happens, right? It's gonna git pull. Everything I just pushed a second ago is now on an ISO that we did this morning, and it's in. All our changes are in, and immediately we are starting. So yes, go ahead and do your thing. Now you go get a coffee, a beer, a whiskey, maybe not the last one, but something to relax, and you wait. And the end run, I'll see a Cinnamon. How about maybe we should keep recording, just because of the fact that it's so fast. Are you realizing the potential? 7 minutes and Plasma is installed. That's a desktop. That's huge. And it had GIMP, Inkscape, Firefox, Chromium, Meld, Sublime Text, Inksy, Git. I mean, there were like 20 apps en surplus, right? Extra on top of Plasma. And even then, in 7 minutes, everything was built up. So that's wow. Great job, Pico. Yes, I've dubbed you because it's a bit too long, the name on GitHub, and we don't know your name. Anonymous. Part of the mystery. I saw cinnamon pass by very quickly. A word cinnamon. Yeah, yes. Chromium, Firefox, Melt, Nano, rsync are still things I do want. Let's see if I can get rid of something. Why is Electron there? Did I forgot Atom or something? Melt maybe, I don't know. Yay bin, I just take Yay and Paru is now out. Just the one, just to save time. This is development bit, right? INC, Sublime Text. Things that I need are an editor, Sublime Text. INC shows me if I'm on Pulse Audio or on Pipewire. NeoFetch, just a nice image. It's not installed even, no, not installed. And Melt and Sublime Text, and we're off. Okay, have a look how long this takes. The video is only 6 minutes. I mean, has to be 5 minutes or 4 minutes, and we've got Cinnamon installed. How fast is that? So let's go to the existing OS. And bingo. Welcome to your ArcoLinux installation. You always get that message. Always. Settings, that's settings. Display, where is the display? Fonts, Windows, extensions, desktop. I am not seeing the display. Here it is, and that's mine. Apply, keep this configuration, boom, and much better. And voila, another installation, another. So what do I still have? Let's check. Code is there. I'm gonna get rid of code in my development, right? Code isn't something I don't need. Chromium is surplus, can go, and that's probably linked somehow with something. And this is pure cinnamon. Yep, pure cinnamon. We've seen that, yeah, places and so on. So I'll make a nice image for the website. So Chromium, let's go to the website, ArcoLinuxISO.com, AAA, and a nice slideshow here, slides. I know if it works. It doesn't work here. Too bad. So that's in Firefox, I guess. It's a slider. Here it is, a little slider. It does work. Just don't want it. Oh yeah, okay. It took maybe a few seconds, but there it is. So that's what we're doing, and these are all the articles about AA. And I need to continue with a terminal. Terminal. Let's see if Control T works. No. Maybe, oh my god, maybe. Yeah, we definitely need to ask him to add this. By default, Cinnamon does not have a terminal, and it uses the GNOME terminal. So we need a terminal, and users probably will get into issues and problems seeing that there is nothing here to assist. Xterm is not there, and your XVT is not there. There is nothing actually there as terminal. So I think we best add the gnome-terminal to it, since in Nemo the right mouse click, that's, yeah, voila, the open in terminal is gnome-terminal. All right, another improvement for Cinnamon. All right, cheers.